Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be how I personally clean my brushes. I should note that these are all synthetic. I have no natural haired brushes. So yeah, let's get started with the video. So first I have this Dr. Bronner soap that I use on the regular. I have Dawn when they're extra dirty and I've been neglecting them. And then recently I have this new bar of soap I'm excited to try. It's a little more natural. I'm trying to lean towards less harsh products on my brushes since they are touching my face. I want to be more aware of that. So we're going to give this a shot today. So I'm just going to run my brush over the actual bar of soap, just getting it all sudsy. A good indication to tell that your brush is clean is when the suds are obviously clean. One thing to note though, a lot of my brushes are stained, so they won't physically look clean, but I judge on obviously the suds and they are clean. I don't know why, just some brushes get stained over time. It happens, especially the lighter hair ones. Just so one thing to note, and I don't know if I mentioned before, but all the soaps and everything I'm using is 100% cruelty free. Just need to put that out there. And yeah, so here I'm using one of my cleaning mats. This is totally optional. You can find these anywhere. This one is, of course, cruelty-free, and I did pick it up at TJ Maxx. And you'll see me go back and forth through this video using my mitt, obviously, and my hand, just to give you some options. It's totally personal preference. I don't think you absolutely need a cleaning mitt to clean your brushes, but it is helpful at times. But yeah, and just right there, what you saw me running over, I was just trying to get the excess water out. Right here, least favorite brushes to clean are these densely packed ones because they do take a while because product gets crammed down in there. So you want to make sure you take your time and really clean those. Just because it might rinse clean, just that could mean the top half is clean. You want to really make sure you penetrate the bottom because we don't want any leftover cakey makeup in there. That will cause us to break out later, and nobody wants that, right? So I'm going to keep going with my process here. This is essentially it, just scrubbing with the soap, using the mat, just making sure that we get all that built up product out of there and the brush is completely clean. I'm not going to clean all my brushes today on camera. That would take too long, and I am not filling up for that. I'm going to be cleaning a lot of my most used today, but I'm going to go ahead and fast forward through the rest of this because it's essentially repeated over and over, and I don't want to bore you guys to death. Okay, I'm going to stop rambling now, and let's get on with the video. So now that the brushes are so fresh and so clean, I recommend one of these drying racks. It is going to help the brushes dry in the quickest way possible. And these are super affordable, which is a plus. I 110% recommend them. You can find them anywhere from like TJ Maxx, Walmart, Target. So next time you're at your local drugstore, I definitely recommend picking one up. They're such lifesavers. So yeah, guys, that completes this video. This is just, again, my routine and what works for me. I have had no problems with my brushes shedding or falling apart besides that elf one you saw, but I have had that brush for years and years, and it isn't the bristles falling apart, it's just the barrel. There's nothing a little crazy glue can fix. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.